Hello, YouTube and car lovers. This is Rusty for the Project 4Runner channel. I know there's several reviews on YouTube for these already. These little pedal commander and sprint boosters. And for those of you that don't know what they are, they just make your car seem a little quicker. They don't make it actually faster, but with these drive-by-wire throttles that all the cars have, they have like a delay, and it's no longer a cable like back in the day that directly ties you to the motor. It's a little wire that sends a signal, and they have them set up for efficiency and economy, and it just translates to like a crappy pedal feel, and especially the Toyota 4Runner has that. It's just got a dead pedal. But this, luckily for all of us, they have resolved that with two main companies, the Pedal Commander and the Sprint Booster. But I'm going to tell you guys the main reason I chose the Sprint Booster. Just quickly, I think I ended up, the Sprint Booster has a green mode, which is, sport mode, and then it has 9 levels of sensitivity or whatnot. And also, it has a red mode, which is race mode. It's a little bit too aggressive for daily driving, I'd say. I believe I set mine just to green mode at level 5 was like the perfect happy medium of where it really should have been set from the factory. And the benefit of Sprint Booster is you can actually set it to, like, for example, green number 5 like I did, and you can actually unplug this thing and you can not worry about mounting this gaudy little thing, somewhere. I mean, I don't know where I was going to even consider mounting it. But so basically, when you get this dialed in where you want with the Sprint Booster, you can just put it away in your glove box or wherever. And the Pedal Commander, I don't believe you can do that. It has a big old gaudy keypad that looks like, 1990s remote control for your subwoofer or something. So but I'm really happy with this. It on green sport mode number 5, it is perfect, and I've had it in for a few months now. Really, I wanted to take my time and kind of fully review it before I actually did a video, and I've just forgotten that it's even on there at this point. And you just leave your little controller in your glove box, and if you ever have to unplug your battery or reset anything, you just plug it right back in. And what it comes with, it actually comes with a little harness, and I guess you can't really see it, but there's a little wire harness that hooks up to your pedal. It installs in about 10 minutes, or actually less, but you just plug and play. And like I said, I recommend setting this baby, unplug it, put it away, and you get that OEM look, but you get that aftermarket feel on your gas pedal. But anyway, hopefully I touched on everything. Race mode, it's just like it downshifts too easily. If you want to try and put it into race mode, it literally is just too aggressive. I can't think of when you'd ever want it that aggressive. So sport mode 5 and up is probably where you guys will want to set it. Like I said, I just set it on 5. But anyways, I hope that gives you guys a little insight as to which one to buy. I see that as a major benefit. No stupid controllers. My controller's in the glove box. And also, I wanted to say thank you. I started doing these reviews. I truly did not expect anybody to really even subscribe. And I have some very kind people on YouTube subscribing to my channel, actually. But I just wanted to do reviews on these things that we're all on forums reading about and all that business. But yes, as you can see, she's looking good and driving good with this Sprint booster. And I definitely recommend you guys. It is kind of pricey. You know, it sounds pricey, but it is something that brings much more enjoyment to driving this baby. And then, like I said, you forget that it's even in there. I hope that helps. And have a good day, everybody. Bye.